CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.6. Given a scenario, configure basic wired and wireless SOHO networks. APIPA. APIPA stands for Automatic Private IP Addressing. It's a mechanism used to automatically assign a self-configured IP address to a computer. This happens when the computer fails to obtain an IP address from a dynamic host configuration protocol, or DHCP server. When a computer tries and fails to get an IP address the usual way, through DHCP, it activates APIPA, which then assigns a temporary, self-generated IP address. This is a bit like a backup plan to ensure that the computer's network interface is always operational. This automatic assignment is vital in networking, as it keeps devices connected and able to communicate with each other, even when there are issues with the DHCP server. The range of IP addresses reserved for APIPA extends from 169.254.0.1 through 169.254.255.254. This range is set aside specifically for this automatic addressing and is recognized across all systems that support APIPA. Having this reserved range ensures that devices can self-assign an address that's unlikely to conflict with addresses assigned by a DHCP server. With troubleshooting in mind, let's discuss one of the most common reasons why a device obtains an APIPA address. The primary reason is the inability to reach a DHCP server. This could be due to the server being offline, network congestion, or issues with the network infrastructure, such as faulty cables or incorrect network settings. When a computer boots up and requests an IP address but receives no response from a DHCP server, it defaults to assigning itself an APIPA address. Now, having an APIPA address will come with certain restrictions. The most significant limitation is the lack of internet connectivity. Devices with APIPA addresses can communicate with other devices on the same local network segment that also have APIPA addresses, but they cannot access external networks, including the internet. This is because APIPA is designed for local network communication only, and routers typically do not forward traffic originating from APIPA addresses to other networks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.